Creators want viewers to stay engaged, but asking people to search through your description for links or losing them because they don't understand your language creates unnecessary friction. FluentPlayer removes that and helps creators turn a basic video into a guided experience inside WordPress. You can offer the same content in multiple languages while revealing helpful resources, downloads, and links exactly when they matter. So viewers don't have to search, they just follow along. I have already added a few videos to FluentPlayer, so let's open one and see how this works. You can see all the player settings in the sidebar, making it easy to customize every part of your video experience. Let's open timed content. As you can see, by default, it's enabled. And FluentPlayer unlocks a new section where you can display different content at different moments in your video. Click Add Content and you are in complete control of both the timing and how long the content stays visible. Since timed content works with native WordPress Gutenberg blocks, you are free to add headings, images, shortcodes, and much more. Let's say you have mentioned a free resource in your tutorial. Instead of telling people to check the description, simply add a button right here. Give it a label, paste in your link, and you are done. And of course, you can style it however you like. Choose your brand colors, adjust the width, and customize the background to fit seamlessly into your website. You can even tweak the spacing and dimensions until everything feels just right. Okay, now think about this. The moment you mention a resource, it appears below the video. When you reference another tutorial, the link is already there. When you offer a download, viewers can grab it immediately. The result? Audience doesn't have to scroll, search, or pause the video to find what you are talking about. That's the difference between watching a video and following along with it. Now that our timed content is ready, let's make this experience even better for a global audience in multiple languages. And the good news is everything you need is right here. The primary language is already set to English, but if your content is in another language, you can choose it as well. Now, before we add another language, let's quickly clear up something really important. Multilingual is totally different from subtitles. Instead of simply displaying translated text on the same video, FluentPlayer lets you connect completely separate versions of your video. So if you have an English version, a Spanish version, or any other translated version with its own voiceover, you can link them together. Let me show you how. Simply enable multiple languages and FluentPlayer automatically adds a language selector to the player. So viewers can switch languages whenever they want. Choose the language you want, select the matching video, and click Add. From now on, people can switch to the language they are most comfortable with while you manage every version from a single player. Alright, let's save the video and see how it all comes together. A viewer lands on your tutorial and hits play. If they prefer another language, they can switch to it instantly. And FluentPlayer loads the right version without interrupting the experience. As the video progresses, every resource appears exactly when it's relevant. Mention a free download and the button is already waiting below the player. Recommend another tutorial and the link appears at just the right moment. Nothing is hidden in the description, nothing pulls viewers away from your content. Multilingual helps them understand your content. Timed content helps them take action without leaving the video. Together, they turn a passive video into an interactive viewing experience. For creators, every extra click is a chance to lose a viewer. FluentPlayer helps remove that friction. The right content appears exactly when it's needed, in the language your audience understands. So if you are ready to build smarter, more engaging videos, FluentPlayer is there for you. Grab FluentPlayer from the link in the description and start creating video experience that guide viewers, not just play for them.